Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's time for the Girls Down Under weekly hop, and in the month of July we are doing Christmas in July, and our Christmas in December is in summertime, so it's always hot. My daughter and I have a tradition of doing a gingerbread house every year, and this particular year we found a beach shack gingerbread house. So how apt is that? It even came with a little Australian flag, had a surfboard, and just looked like a really cool beach shack. So that is so Aussie because it's summer, and that is what I'm doing today. So I'm using a mixed match of embellishments. I just pulled from my colour boxes, a little bit of stickers, words are hard. A few stickers from Echo Park's range, Endless Summer. This is one of the cutter parts from that same range, and I'm going to use this as my heading, but I'm going to put Christmas here, so Christmas Summer State of Mind. That's what I'm doing, so let's get this page started. Okay, there's my layout, quite quick and simple. Make sure you check out the playlist below of everyone else who is playing along from the Girls Down Under, and if you've liked this layout, please hit that thumbs up for me. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.